Hello, everybody. Welcome to Seed to Sprout. Let's talk today. How should newcomers maintain their plants? Many novice friends grow flowers. At first it seemed simple. But it wasn't long before the leaves started to turn yellow. Plants are half dead. In fact, it is not difficult to grow potted flowers. Mastering a few tips can help you raise better. First, don't water too often. The most common mistake that many beginners make. Just watering too much. In fact, most flowers and plants are afraid of burning and sweating. Just pour it when the surface of the picture is dry. Remember not to accumulate water. Otherwise it will be easy to rot. Second, notice the light. Plants need photosynthesis to grow. Indoor potted plants are no exception. Flowers are best placed in a place with scattered light. Like the window. But don't let the bright light shine too long. Easy to sunburn leaves. Third, fertilize, don't be greedy. Growing flowers requires nutrients. But too much fertilizer can actually make plants burn roots. Especially newbies. It is best to use diluted liquid fertilizer. A small amount at a time. It is enough to get wet once every half a month or so. So just to sum up. The most important thing for Shinsho to raise flowers and plants is to water them properly. Full light. Moderate fertilization. Master these 3 points. Your potted plants will definitely grow more and more lush. Do you find these tips helpful? Don't forget to like, share, and follow Shu Chenihua. See you next time. Help you easily handle plant maintenance.